Hi, I'm Patrick. I work at Westlake. Hi, I'm Patrick. I work at Westlake.
Hi, I'm Yuya. I work at Westlake.
And today we're going to be playing Orange Relay Race. So the goal of this game is to have an orange between your legs, and then, Yuya.
And then you're gonna walk with the orange as fast as you can. But I feel like I'm dropping off.
But if you get in it, you have the orange between your legs, then you drop it in the hoop, then you go back and grab another one.
So grab a friend or a lot of friends and see who can get the most oranges into the hula hoop the fastest.
So now let's demonstrate.
That's how you play the orange relay race. Better luck next time, Patrick.
Thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Bye!